Hey Textile Managers, welcome to episode 1 of Kickstart Your Garment Business with ERP. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your garment manufacturing business using an ERP system. This is going to be a game changer for your efficiency and productivity. Imagine you run a textile unit that manufactures ready-to-stitch garment kits. We're talking fabric rolls, thread, buttons, and all kinds of accessories. Sounds like a lot, right? But don't worry, I've got you covered. First up, let's talk about creating and managing products. In any ERP system, the backbone of your inventory is your product list. We'll start by defining each product: fabric rolls, threads, buttons, and accessories. You'll need to input important details like SKU numbers, descriptions, units of measurement, and categories. This makes it easy to track what you have and what you need. Next, automating purchases when inventory is low is a lifesaver. Trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard with no stock. With ERP, you can set minimum stock levels. When your inventory dips below these levels, the system automatically creates a purchase order. Easy peasy, right? Tracking stock across multiple warehouses can be a headache without the right tools. But with ERP, it's a breeze. You can see exactly where each item is located, how much stock you have, and even track it while it's in transit. No more guessing games or manual counts. Managing sales is a critical aspect, especially when you have agents and distributors involved. ERP systems allow you to keep track of orders, monitor sales performance, and manage commissions all in one place. It helps streamline your sales process and keeps everyone on the same page. Finally, let's talk about simulating the full production process. Even if you're using a Community Edition framework, you can still map out your entire production workflow. From raw material acquisition to finished product dispatch, the ERP system can handle it all. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors and boosts overall efficiency.
Use case overview. Let's set the stage. Our example business is a textile manufacturing unit. We purchase raw materials like large fabric rolls, various types of thread, buttons, and accessories. These are then used to manufacture and pack ready-to-stitch garment kits, such as ready-to-stitch kits. Using our ERP system, we'll show you how to handle product creation, inventory tracking, and categorization. Navigating to product creation. To get started, go to the Inventory module. From there, click on Products, and then Create to add a new product to your catalog. Let's begin with our finished product, the Kurta Ready-to-Stitch Kit. Every product in our system must be assigned a type. There are 3 main types: storable product, like our ready-to-stitch kit. These are physical items we track in stock. Consumable, for items like thread or packaging that don't require strict stock tracking. Service, useful for services like tailoring or embroidery if you're outsourcing part of the process. We'll mark the ready-to-stitch kit as a storable product since we need to manage its inventory and stock levels. Product form overview. Now let's walk through each tab on the product form. 1. General information. Here, you enter the product name, type, category, and unit of measure. You can group products into categories like raw materials, finished goods, or accessories, useful for reporting. 2. Inventory tab. This tab helps you define routes like buy or make to order. You can also enable reordering rules for automated stock replenishment, and specify how the product is tracked, by lot, serial number, or none. 3. Purchase tab. Here, we add supplier details. You can define multiple vendors, set lead times, minimum quantities, and prices for each. 4. Sales tab. This section lets you enter a product description that appears on sales quotes or invoices, useful for end customers or distributors. Now let's add some raw materials. Fabric roll, storable product, tracked in inventory. Thread, consumable product. since we don't track exact usage. Buttons, storable product. Ready-to-stitch shirts kit, storable, are finished product. Ready-to-stitch pajama kit, another finished product. Each product can be assigned a category and linked to suppliers in the Purchase tab.
So there you have it. In this first episode, we've set up our use case and created the core products in our ERP system. Stay tuned for the next episode where we'll dive into more advanced features and automation tips. This series is just getting started, and I promise it's going to revolutionize the way you manage your garment business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next episode.